child is the star in the family, the center of attention, the source of our happiness. In our own little castle at King and Queen's House of Learning, each child is trained to be one little king or queen, not just to rule and become one great leader in the future, but more than anything else, to be good followers. As they explore their horizons and gain knowledge in our little haven, our goal is to teach them the concept of caring, sacrificing, judging fairly, and believing that truth always prevails in the end. Again, good morning to everyone. We are truly happy that you have taken time out to be with us to celebrate our second King and Queen's Day 2010. Today, we will be seeing 14 little stars shine their brightest. Today, we will be witnessing their God-given talents as their beauties glow inside and out. Today, excitement fills the air as we all ask, again like last year, who will be crowned the next King of Kings and Queen of Queens. So to our ever-supportive parents, grandparents, relatives, and guests, of course to our Board of Judges,